10,000. Because the reason is the Java people are there now. Coming to you, Java people here. You forced me to deploy your Spring Boot application to AWS server. And that Spring Boot application, I configured it to Angular application. So because of that reason, they sent the bill around 8,000 to me. No, last month, guys, last month, what I done in the sense, I prepared one Spring, not myself here, some Java student, he prepared one Spring Boot application to me. So that Spring Boot application, I deployed into AWS server. I think, Kundan, I think I didn't discuss anything. I didn't discuss anything. Let me, I think still I didn't start the content. Don't worry here. So that Spring Boot application, I deployed into AWS server. And that AWS server, I linked it to my Angular application because the reason is the Shankar, Srinus are forcing me to do that one. And finally, I got the bill as the around 8,000 bill. I'm I'm bargaining that I'm bargaining with the AWS people to remove that one to return my amount. Fine. Next one, guys. Give me the second, guys. All the people here, guys. Never, guys. Some people don't feel like a little bit harassment, a little bit hard about my words. Skin. So whoever not interested, guys, first of all exit from the class itself. Whoever ready to listen the class, that people only should be there in the class. Remaining people, you need to exit from the class itself, guys. Remember that point. In between the session, I don't want to allow you to leave the class. Fine, guys. As part of our class, this is the content, whole content, 10 to 15 minutes, guys, not more than that one, 10 to 15 minutes. As part of our course itself, the first one is we need to see the HTML5. The first subject we will discuss HTML5. Fine. Next one. In the HTML5 also, don't think like basic information. Especially, we will discuss APIs. We should be in a position, we will discuss the APIs. Very, very important here. No one knows that one. No one knows that one here. APIs are very, very important. So HTML5 APIs, I will discuss with you. Next one, guys. After completing the HTML5, I will discuss with you CSS3. Guys, especially CSS3, I will discuss with you flex concept. Next one is the grid concept. Flex concept, I will discuss with you. Next one is the grid concept also, I will discuss with you. Next one is the, I will discuss with you media queries also. Guys, which concept we will see? Media queries. Guys, these three topics are very, very important in a CSS3. Like flex concept, next one is the grid concept, next one is the media queries. Next one, guys, one more subject we will see. Next subject is the, we will discuss JavaScript. Very, very important here. Some people, they're eagerly waiting for the separate JavaScript batch. Especially in the JavaScript, I will discuss with you ES12, not ES6 also. ES6 to ES12. I will discuss with you ES6 to which feature here, ES6 to ES12. So all the features I will discuss with you here. So ES6 features to ES12 features, all the features I will discuss with you. Next one, guys. After completion of JavaScript, I will discuss with you one more topic here. Which topic we will see? Bootstrap. Especially coming to the Bootstrap, I will discuss with you 3.x version. Next one is the 4.x version. Next one is the 5.x version also. All the versions I will discuss with you. Bootstrap 3.x version I will discuss with you. Bootstrap 4.x version I will discuss with you. Bootstrap 5.x version also I will discuss with you as part of our syllabus. Next one, guys. And one more point. One more point is the, after completing that one, I will discuss with you mean stack development also. I will discuss with you mean stack development. Guys, do you people know Gunjan? M stands for Gunjan. M stands for MongoDB. Gunjan, are you from the abroad now? Gunjan? E stands for what is the E? E stands for ExpressJS.
Yes.
A stands for
Angular.
what is the
Angular.
A stands for Angular. A stands for Angular here. So Angular also I will discuss with you as part of our training. Next one, guys. N stands for what?
Node.js.
See this one here. N stands for Node.js. Guys, I will share this as syllabus copy also, because the reason is the why I'm explaining syllabus once again, in the sense yesterday 2 to 3 members they called me, sir, will you cover that topic or not? I will cover it here. Next one is the sixth one is the one more content we need to see. One more thing is the Mariner stack development again. One more topic we need to see. Which topic we need to see? Mariner stack development. Kazal. M stands for what? Kazal. M stands for what?
MongoDB.
MongoDB. E stands for what? E stands for what?
Express.js.
E stands for Express.js. Next one. R stands for what?
React.js.
R stands for what? React.js. Guys. N stands for what?
Node.js.
Stands for Node.js. So as part of our training, I will discuss with you Mariner stack development also. Main stack development I will discuss with you. Mariner stack development also I will discuss with you. Guys, by the end of your batch, guys, still I didn't updated here. This month, in the September month, I'm planning here to update one more new topic here. The topic is the Maven stack also. Maven stack development also. I'm planning to update which topic? Maven stack development also. Guys, do you people know M stands for what? M stands for what? MongoDB. E stands for what? Stands for what? E stands for Express.js. Guys, anyone knows that one? V stands for what? V stands for Vue.js. Coming to the V stands for Vue.js. Guys, once again here. Once again here. Once again here. Say this one here itself. Let me close it here, because after the class I will chat with it once again. Fun. Leave it here, guys. V stands for Vue.js. Next one. N stands for what? N stands for what? N stands Node.js. Guys, M stands for MongoDB. E stands for Express.js. V stands for Vue.js. N stands for what? Node.js. So Maven stack development also I will discuss with you as part of our full stack training here. Next one. And one more point. One more thing is the eighth one is the, guys, we will do minimum 2 projects, guys. Minimum 2 projects we will do. Next one. And one more point. Ninth one is the deployment also. Ninth one is the deployment also. Which deployment we need to see? AWS deployment. Which deployment we need to see? AWS deployment. Next one is the which deployment we need to see? Hero code deployment also. Fun. Next one, guys. And one more thing is the 10th one is the, I forget it inform you, I will discuss with you jQuery also. Fun. Guys, these 10 topics I will discuss with you as part of Bootstrap already. Then why should I add once again? Can fourth topic is the Bootstrap. Can I add the 11th topic Bootstrap once again? No, sir. Because already added na. Once if I added it, no need to add it once again. Na? No need to add it.
Angular will be covered or not?
Angular, array, mean stack in the sense what? Angular will cover or not? Angular. Guys, so these are the questions I'm getting, guys. Guys, will you cover the Bootstrap or not? Yes, I will cover the Bootstrap. Guys, will you cover the Angular or not? Yes. I think I'm not placing separately here. So to reduce the syllabus here, to reduce the number of points here, I mentioned the min stack. While discussing the min stack, I will discuss with Angular. Guys, especially Angular, I will discuss with you Spring Boot integration, because you people are eagerly waiting for Spring Boot integration. So we will go for the Spring Boot integration. Guys, coming to the Mariner stack also, I will discuss with React.js. You people are eagerly waiting for Spring Boot microservices integrations. Next one, guys, coming to the Maven stack here, I can't give the assurance here because myself also, I'm the new to the Vue.js. I need to update myself also. So basic level application, I will discuss with you regarding the Maven stack. So guys, this is the total content, guys, because even if you have the confusion here, this is the total syllabus. Okay, na? Don't worry, guys, because
sir, I have a question for Java people, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, Java people, how much topic have to
attend complete here, because Ashok sir won't stop you, na? Ashok sir putting any breakpoints to you, no, na?
But sir, will you start Bootstrap at 9 o'clock? Then how can we access, sir?
I think how can we access in the sense, if possible, if everyone are accepting, then I will start the class. Otherwise, how can I start the class? Okay, na? Leave it to Hussein. Leave the plus or minus points. Leave it here. But your question is the how will you start that one? Leave it that point. Leave it. And one more point is the sir, we are from the Java people. Will you allow these classes or not? Ashok sir never keep any break points to you people. Ashok sir myself always giving the complete knowledge to you people. And never ask that one. Please attend all the classes. No need to worry. Especially Java people. Don't think in the negative shade. Okay, na? Fine. I think based on your comfortable only, I will take the 2 hours session. Not only to you. And Narendra also he raised the question, sir, I have the office. So if you have any other class, if you have the office, how can I take the class? I can't take the class to the Zoom. Everyone should attend the class. Please help me here. Okay, na? Fine. Guys, can I go for the HTML5? Guys, can I go for the HTML5 in the today's session? Yes, sir. Guys, what is the suggestible IDE?
VS Code.
What is the suggestible IDE? Suggestible IDE is the VS Code na. Guys, the suggestible ID is the VS Code. Still, guys, who don't know how to install the VS Code, don't worry, I will show you how to install the VS Code also. Can leave it. Can I open the VS Code? Let me open the VS Code here. We need to open the VS Code here. Fine. After opening the VS Code here, file, guys, open folder, file, open folder. What is our folder? HTML5. HTML5 10am folder. Our folder is the HTML5 10am folder here. Yes or not? Here itself we have one folder here. The folder is the HTML5 10am folder. Guys, can I create the see this one here? Here itself, guys, can I create the device content here? Definitely I will follow the device content, guys. Can I go for the device content, guys?
Yes,
everyone,
sir.
can I go for the day one, guys? Today is the first day on the HTML5 now. Yes, guys. Do you people know what is HTML? Everyone, guys, what is HTML? HTML stands for Palasa. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. This one here, HTML. HTML stands for hypertext
Markup language.
hypertext markup language. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Shankar, what is the current version of HTML? Shankar, what is the current version of HTML? The current version of HTML is the HTML5. See this one again. Current version of HTML is HTML 5.0. Fun. And one more point. One more point is the, let me go for the one more point. Guys, why HTML? HTML is used to develop the web pages or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Not only HTML, HTML 1.0, HTML 2.0, HTML 3.2, HTML 4.0, HTML 5.0. All the versions of HTML is used to develop the static web pages na.
Yes, sir.
Say this one again. HTML is used to Shankar is used to develop the which pages can static web pages. HTML is used to develop the static web pages. Fun. And one more point, guys. One more point is the how to apply the styles to the static web pages.
By using CSS.
Apply the anyone, at least one person, guys. How to apply styles to the static web pages. See this one here. We will apply slowly, guys, because some new members are there. Allow them to understand. We will apply styles to the web pages. Web pages by using what? By using CSS. Guys, styles means, do you people know styles means what? Styles means color, colors. Next one, backgrounds. Next one is the margins. Next one is the paddings, margins, paddings, and like this also so many things. Yes or not? Guys, what is CSS? What is the CSS? CSS stands for cascading. Guys, cascading style sheet. Okay, na, guys, what is the current version of CSS? What is the current version of CSS? Panduranga. Yes, sir. Current version of, guys, current version of at least one person. Current version of CSS is CSS 3.0. Current version of CSS is CSS 3.0 here. Okay, now fun. Next one, guys, one more point. How to convert static web pages to dynamic web pages?
Using DOM.
At least one person, guys. How to convert static web pages to dynamic web pages? At least one person.
Using JavaScript.
Yeah.
Use,
See this one
using
here.
JavaScript.
We will convert. We will make dynamic web pages. We will make dynamic web pages with the help of what? Kazal, meet yourself. With the help of what? With the help of at least one person. With the help of
JavaScript, sir.
JavaScript or not?
JavaScript.
With the help of JavaScript. Yes, Shankar. Shankar already known points. Even the known points, please try to support here. Shankar, HTML stands for what?
Hypertext markup language.
Hypertext markup language.
Markup
Next one.
language.
What is the current version of HTML?
HTML5.
HTML 5.0. The current version of HTML is the HTML 5.0 here. Yes or not? And one more point. Why HTML? Why HTML? HTML is used to build the static web pages now.
Yes, sir.
HTML is used to build the static web pages. In order to build the static web pages, then we need to go for the HTML. Yes or not? How to apply styles to the web pages, Sirisha? How to apply styles to the web pages with the help of what? CSS now.
Yes, yes.
Saurav,
Yes, sir.
with the help of CSS now. Saurav, CSS stands for what? CSS
Cascading
stands
style
for what?
sheet.
Cascading style sheet. Shankar, what is the current version? What is the popular version of CSS?
CSS3.
CSS3. Sirisha, the popular version of CSS. Guys, remaining new members also please unmute yourself. Gunjan, the current version of the popular version of CSS is CSS3. Okay, na? How to make static web pages to dynamic web pages?
Using
Using
JavaScript.
JavaScript.
How to make static web pages to dynamic web pages with the help of what? JavaScript. With the help of what? With the help of JavaScript. Here, with the help of JavaScript, we can make static web pages to dynamic web pages. Here. Yes or not? Fun.
Yes.
Let me go for the another statement, guys. We need to go for the another statement here. Let me go for the another statement here. Another statement is the after completing that one, guys. Why HTML5 popular in the market? Dharanidas,
Because, sir,
why
it supports
HTML5 popular in the
API.
market? Yes, sir, see this one. Saurav, we have the so many versions of HTML na. Sirisha, Narendra, Praveen B, everyone, Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
Srinivas K. Srinivas, I hope you are attending the classes randomly. Yes, sir, Srinivas K. We have the so many versions of HTML na. HTML 1.0, Rujesh, HTML 1.0, HTML 2.0, HTML 3.2, Nitish, HTML 4.x, HTML 5.x. Yes or not? Smita,
Yes, sir.
but why
Yes, sir.
HTML5 success in the market?
Supports
Why
API,
HTML5
sir.
success in the market here? See this one here. HTML5 supports
APIs.
APIs. Supports APIs. So HTML 5.0 success in the market or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
HTML 5.0. Dhaniras, mute yourself. And Smita, mute yourself. Smita, mute yourself, never unmute yourself. HTML 5.0 success in the market. Success in market. Fine. Guys, can you please tell some features of HTML5? Can you please tell some features of HTML5? What is the first feature? What is the first feature? First feature is
Semantic
the semantic elements.
elements.
The first feature is the, what is the first feature? The first feature is the
Semantic elements.
semantic element. Next one, semantic elements. Guys, do you know what is the semantic elements? More
Yes, sir.
meaningful tags na?
Header,
Guys, semantic elements means for
footer.
more, no,
Meaningful
listen, more meaningful tags na? How to create the header? How to create the
Using
header?
header
If
tags.
you
Using
want
head
to,
tag.
if you
Head
want to
tags.
create the header, we have the header tag here. Guys,
Yes, sir.
if you want to create the main section, if you want to create the main section, what we have here? Main tag.
Main tag.
If you want to create the footer, if you want to create the footer, do we have
Footer
the footer
tag.
or not? Do we have the footer or not? Yes, we have the footer here. Next one more point here. If you want to create side menu, if you want to create side menu, which tag we have? A side tag.
Side
Guys,
tag.
more meaningful tags are not. How to
Yes,
create
sir.
the header? With the help of
Yes,
what?
sir.
Header
Header
tag.
tags.
Guys, how to create the main section? With the
Main
help
tag.
of which tag? Main tag.
Main
Guys,
tag.
how to create the footer section? How to
Footer
create the
tag, sir.
footer section? Footer tag.
Footer
Guys,
tag.
how to create the side menu? How to create
A
the side
side
menu with the
tags.
help of which tag? A side tag.
Side tag.
Guys, next one. How to create the navigation bar? How to create the
Nav tags, sir.
navigation
Nav
bar
tag.
with the help of which tag?
Nav tag, sir.
Yes, if you wanted to create the navigation bar, can here itself we have the nav tag can. Guys, okay na? How to play the audio can? How to play the
Audio
audio
tag,
can?
sir.
Audio. Guys,
Audio tag, sir.
are these tags available before HTML5 version? Guys,
No, sir.
are these tags available before
No.
HTML5 version?
No, sir.
No.
Next one, guys.
Uh,
How to
no,
play
sir,
the
no,
video?
sir.
How to play the video with the help
Video
of which
tag,
tag?
sir.
Video tag. Guys, can you please explain, Kazal? Can you please explain wonderful feature of HTML5? The wonderful feature of HTML5 is the semantic
Semantic
elements.
elements.
Guys, what is the meaning of semantic elements? More
More
meaningful.
meaningful tags.
Sirisha,
More meaningful tags, sir.
more meaningful. Kundumuru, Sirisha, more meaningful again. Next one. If you wanted to create the header, which tag we have?
Header tag, sir.
Header
Header
tag. If you wanted to create the main section, which
Main
tag we
tag,
have?
sir.
Main
Main
section.
Main.
Guys, and one more point. If you wanted to play the audio, which tag we have?
Audio tag,
Audio
sir.
Audio
Which
tag.
tag we have here? We have the audio tag here. If you wanted to play the video, which tag we have?
Video tag,
Video
sir.
tag.
Video tag.
Guys, is this facility available before HTML5?
No, sir.
No.
This
Some are,
facility,
some are.
yeah, this facility not available here. So because of that reason, HTML5 popular on the market here. Next one, Saro, meet yourself. Next one, guys.
Yes, sir.
How to implement the charting applications? How to implement the charting applications? With the help of which API?
Using
API.
WebSocket API.
API.
Guys, WhatsApp, Telegram, Gmail
Messenger.
chat, something is there, Messenger
Yes,
or
sir,
there,
yes, sir.
Messenger. I think to implement such kind of applications, we have one API. Which API we have? WebSocket
WebSocket
API.
API.
Guys,
WebSocket API.
do you know, guys? Do you know Google Maps here? Do you
Yes,
know
sir.
Google Maps?
Location.
To implement,
Location.
to implement,
Location API.
to implement Google Maps, we have one more API. Which API we have? Location API. Next one, Dharaniraz,
Yes, sir.
say this one. Dharaniraz, one more point. One more point is to implement multi-threading. In order to implement multi-threading, we have one more API. Which
Web
API we
worker.
have here?
Web
Web worker
worker.
API. To implement multi-threading. To implement multi-threading, we have one more API. Which API we have here? Web worker API.
Web worker.
Here itself, we have the one more API here. The API is the which API we have here? Web worker API here. Next one. See this one here. Yeah, see this one here. See this one here. One more point. Web worker API here. Next one. Guys, and one more point. One more point is the to implement, to draw the 2D diagrams. To draw the 2D diagrams,
Canvas.
which API we have?
Canvas
Canvas
API.
API.
Guys, to draw the 3D diagrams, which one we have here?
SVG API.
SVG API here. We have one more API, SVG API. And like this also, so many features are available in HTML5 because of these
Sir, web
features
forms.
only. Yeah, see this one. Because of these features only, HTML5 animations, so, so many things are there. Because of these features only, HTML5 popular in the HTML5 popular in the market or not?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
HTML5 popular in the market. Can guys, okay na? This speed is okay na?
Sir,
Yes,
drag and
sir,
drop, drag and drop APIs are
Yeah, say
containers.
this one here. Leave it here. So many features are there. All the features we will see
Yes,
now.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
All the features will say don't worry. Some basic features I kept here. Guys, and one more
Okay,
pointer. Guys, few more basic points I will tell you. Don't feel the bore. Never feel the bore. Guys, because the reason is that some people they don't know how to save the HTML file something. Guys, how to save the HTML files? We will save the anyone Avinash.
.html.
Dot
We will
extension
save the
file, sir.
HTML
files.
HTML.
HTML
With
files
.html extension.
With extension
with
file.
the dot
Dot
HTML.
HTML or
Or
HTML.
HTML.
Hussein, meet yourself. Dot HTML or
Dot HTML.
dot HTML extension. Any extension, guys. Dot HTML or dot HTML extension. Any extension we can use here, not an issue. Either dot HTML or dot HTML extension, not an issue. Guys, one more point. One more point is the how to execute the web pages. To
By
execute
the
web
help of
pages,
a web browser.
browsers. To execute HTML files. To execute HTML files, we need to dependent on browsers or not.
Yes, sir.
Guys, Google Chrome,
Yes, sir.
guys, Google Chrome. Next one is the Internet
Microsoft
Explorer,
Edge.
Internet Explorer like Firefox, Netscape Navigator, and like this also. So many things are there. Fun. Now see this one, guys. Very very important. Very very important is the see this one again. We will execute, guys. We will execute web pages.
HTML.
Web pages within the bracket. Can I place the HTML files?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or not? HTML
Yes,
files
sir.
with the help of with the
Browser.
help of
Browser.
browsers. With the help of browsers. Guys, may I know the example for the browsers?
Yes,
May I
sir.
know the example for
Google
the
Chrome.
browsers?
Google
See this
Chrome,
one here.
Microsoft
The examples are the Google
Google
Chrome,
Chrome.
Google Chrome.
Internet
Next one is the
Explorer.
Google Chrome. Next one is the
Mozilla
Mozilla.
Mozilla.
Mozilla. Next one is the
Netscape
Netscape Navigator.
Navigator.
Netscape Navigator.
Opera.
Next one is the
Opera
Opera.
Mini.
Opera, and like this
Edge.
also so many
Hmm.
browsers. We have the so many browsers. Google
Yes,
Chrome.
sir.
Next one is the Mozilla. Next one is the Netscape Navigator. Next one is the Opera browser, and like this also so many browsers we have.
So
Okay,
many
now
browsers.
so
Yes,
many
sir.
browsers are there. Guys, one more point. Don't feel bored about this point also. Guys, what is the suggestible IDE? Avinash, what is the
Visual Studio.
suggestible IDE to
VS
build
Code.
the
VS
HTML
Code.
files?
VS Code.
VS Code. See this one here. Visual Studio Code. Guys, Visual Studio Code is suggestible IDE. Suggestible IDE to build the which one here?
Web
To build
pages.
the web pages. Web pages. I think Avinash, Visual Studio Code also called as
VS Code.
VS
Visual
Code.
Studio
VS
Code.
Code.
See this
Developed by
one here.
Microsoft.
Yeah, Visual Studio Code also called as Avinash, also called as VS Code.
VS Code.
And given by which
Microsoft.
company? And given by
Microsoft.
one company here. The company is the Microsoft company. And one more point is the VS Code IDE is open source IDE na.
Yes, sir.
VS
Open
Code
source.
ID is the open source ID. Whatever the VS Code ID is there, that VS Code ID is the open source ID here. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Guys, VS Code ID is the open source ID here. Yes or not? Guys, and already known tags, guys, not the new tags here, already known tags here. You people need to tell. You people need to tell here. Or otherwise, just leave it, guys. Just leave it here, guys. Structure of web page. Structure of
Okay.
web page. Guys, do you people know structure of the web page?
Yes, sir.
Guys, do you people know the structure of the web page?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
the structure of the web page? Will you people tell here? What is the structure of the web page here? First of all, we need to place the doc type na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys,
HTML
first of all,
version.
we need to place
Yes.
the doc type na. Yes.
Yes,
First of
sir.
all, we need to place the doc type. Next one, G2. After that, below the doc type, can I place the
Root element.
Can I place the root element here? Simply, we need to place the root element. Next one, guys. Root element divided
Divided
into
into two
how many
parts.
sections?
Two sections.
How many sections? First section is
Head
the
and body.
Head and
section.
Head
body.
section
Head
and
section
body
here.
section.
First section is the head section here. Second section is the what is the
Body
second
section.
section? Second section is the body section. First section is the head section here, and second section is the body section here. Gunjan, try to say this one. What is the structure of the web page? Gunjan, what is the structure of the web page? First of all, we
Doc
need
type.
to mention. First of
Doc
all, we
type.
need to mention doc type now. Gunjan, first of all, we need to mention doc type here. Whatever the doc type is there, that doc type we need to place. Below the doc type, can I
Root
have the
element is
root
there.
element?
Yes.
Can I have the root element here? Yes. We should be in a position. We should be in a position. We need to place a root element. Guys, under the root element, can I take the
Head
two
section.
sections? Can I take the two sections? What is the first section? Section.
Section.
First section is the head section. What is the second section?
Body
The second
Body
section is the
section.
what is the second section? Body section. So the first section is the head section here, and second section is the what is the second section? Second section is the body section. So first section is the head section, second section is the body section here. Guys,
Yes, sir.
are you catching the speed or can I slow down?
No, sir.
No, it's
No,
good speed.
guys, say this one here. Doc type representing version of
version of
HTML.
HTML.
Everyone, guys, doc type,
Doc type.
whatever the doc type is there, doc type representing version of HTML. Srisha, can you please explain here what is the doc type? Doc type representing the version of
Version of
doc type
HTML.
representing the version of HTML. So by seeing the doc type, we can recognize which version of HTML. Hussein, by seeing the doc type, we can recognize which version of
HTML5,
HTML.
sir.
So don't worry.
HTML5.
No, leave it here. What is the meaning of doc type? Doc type representing the version of
Version of
HTML.
HTML.
See this
Version
one
of
here.
HTML.
For
sir.
example, see this one here. Example is the not doc type HTML representing what? representing what?
Version of
HTML5, sir, current
HTML5
version.
version. HTML5 version. So by seeing line number 178, by seeing line number 178, we can recognize, oh, this version is the HTML5. Fine. Guys, tell the theoretical statement once again, Renuka. Tell the theoretical statement once again, Renuka. What is the structure? What is the structure of the web page? First of all, we need to take doc type. So I think Renuka, what is the doc type here? Doc type.
Doc type represents
Doc
version
type
of HTML.
representing the doc type,
Version of
representing
HTML.
the version of doc type, representing the version of HTML. Fine. Next one.
After that,
How
root
to
element.
one second. How to represent the HTML5 version? How to represent HTML5
Not doc
version?
type HTML.
Not to doc type, guys. Talk little bit slow, guys, because new members they will get the little bit fear, guys. Not to doc type HTML representing which version? Avinash following na? Avinash following na? HTML5 version. Next one, guys. See this one again. Who will represent root element? Guys, who will represent root element again? Shankar,
HTML tag, sir.
who will represent the
sir.
root element again?
HTML.
HTML tag.
HTML.
HTML tag, see this one again. HTML tag. HTML tag representing the HTML tag representing what? Representing the HTML tag representing the root element.
Root element.
HTML tag representing the root element here. Representing the root element here. Guys, and one more point, one negative point I will tell you, guys. If I place this one, you people need to understand. Never ask me, sir, what is the greater than or less than? Don't ask that one here. Guys, this tag, what do you call? This tag, what do you call? Starting tag.
Root tag.
Yes, sir, root tag.
No, starting tag.
Starting
This
tag.
tag, what do you call? This tag, what do you call? Ending tag here. So the first tag we can call starting tag here. The second one we can call the ending tag here. So guys, the total combination, what do you call? The total combination, what do you call? Element now. The total
sir.
combination, whatever the combination is there, the total combination we can call the element again. The total combination we can call element again. Guys, how to represent the head section? How to represent the head section with the help of which tag? With the help of which tag here? Head tag. Head tag. Use to head tag. Use to represent the which section? Use it to represent the which section ke? The section is the header section ke. Use it to represent which section? Header section. Guys, next one here. Body tag is there now. Body tag. Body tag. Body tag. Use it to body tag. Use it to represent the. Use it to represent the. Use it to represent the which section ke? Use it to represent the body section here. So say this one here, body tag. Body tag, use it to represent the which section here? Body tag here. Guys, please explain once again. What is the structure of the web page? What is the first one? First of all, we have the doc type na.
Yes, sir.
First of all, we have the doc type na. Yes, sir. Say this one here first of all. Yeah, say this one here. Say this one here. The first one is the doc type here. Under the doc type, what we have here? What we have here? Root element na. Root element. Root element divided into how many sections?
Two sections.
Sections. What is the first section? Head section. What is the second section?
Body.
Is the second section? Body section care. The first section is the head section care. The second section is the body section care. Guys, who will tell version of HTML? Ray, tell me here.
Doc type, sir.
Doc type will tell version of
Who is the root element?
HTML, sir.
HTML. Guys, how to represent the header section?
Using
Head
head
tag, sir.
With the help of which tag? Header tag. Guys, how to represent the body section?
Body tag, sir.
With the help of what? With the help of body tag here. So with the help of body tag, it will represent the body section here. Guys, can I go for the structure, guys? Can I go for the one simple example also? Yes, sir, madam. Let me go for the one simple example also. Guys, which example we need to see? Guys, how to use HTML5?
Not doc type
type.
HTML.
Not to doc type HTML. Guys, who is the root element?
HTML.
Who is the root element here? The root element is the HTML. Here we have the root element here. See this one here. The root element is the HTML here. Here we have the root element here. The root element is the HTML. Guys, can I close the tag here?
Yes.
Can I close the tag here? This is the starting tag na? Yes, sir. This is the starting here. And this is the ending tag na? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guys, root, I think root section divided into how many sections? Go to section, divide it into how many sections. What is the first section? Head section. Guys, what is the second section?
Body
What is the second section? Second section is the body section. The first section is the head section. The second section is the body section. Yes, next one. Guys, what is the use of head section? What is the use of head section? Head section is used to define the metadata. Head section is used to define which data? Metadata. Metadata again. In order to define metadata, then we will go for the head section again. To define which data? Metadata. Yeah, not revision here, not revision. I think immediately I will start Dharani Rajan. Immediately I will go for the semantic elements. But to go for the semantic elements, some people they don't know basics of the HTML. So see this one can. Don't think like a paragraph something here. Just let me do that one. Immediately I will start the semantic elements to you. Fine. Next one, metadata here. So guys, and one more thing here. What is metadata? What is metadata? Data about anyone guys? Data about web page. Data about web page we can call the metadata here. Data about what? Data about web page we can call the metadata. Can you tell the example here? Author of the web page. Next one, author of the web page. Next one is the description of the web page here. Author of the web page. Next one is the description of the web page. And like this also, so many things are there. Guys, root element divided into how many sections? Root element divided into how many sections? Two sections. Root element divided into how many sections? Two sections. So what is the first section? Head section. What is the second section? What is the second section? Body section. Guys, what is the use of head section? Head section is used to define the metadata now. Head section. What are the head section? What are the head section is then? That head section is used to define the metadata. Yes or not? What is metadata? Data about data about web page. Data about web page called as what do you call? Data about web page called as what? Called as metadata. Data about a web page we can call the metadata. Guys, may I know the example also? Which example can? Example is the what is the example here?
Author of the web page.
Author of the web page. Next one is the author of the web page. Next one is the description of the web page here. Next one. Next one. Title of the web page here. Title of the web page here. And like this also lot of information is there. So that information we can call data about a web page. Guys, say this one here. Guys, one more pointer. How to define the title, guys, with the help of which tag? With the help of which tag? Guys, never feel the tough, guys. If you say tough, I can't do anything, guys. There is a final step to you. If you say, sir, it's a highly difficult to understand, that's your problem, guys. Yes, sir. If you want to define the title, which tag we have? Title tag here, guys. And to write the CSS, which tag we have? To write the CSS, which tag we have? Style tag here, guys. To link external CSS, to link external CSS, which tag we have here? Link tag here. Guys, see this one. To write the JavaScript, which tag we have here? We have the one more tag here. Which tag we have here? Script tag here. To write the JavaScript, we have one more tag here. The name of the tag is a script tag here. Guys, please explain once again. You need to explain once again. Guys, how to define the title? How to define the title? Here itself we have one tag here. Which tag we have here? Here itself we have one tag here. The tag is the title tag here. Next one, guys, how to write the CSS? How to read the style tag here. If you want to write CSS, we have the style tag here. Guys, how to link external CSS files?
Link tag.
Link to link external CSS file with the help of which tag? With the help of which tag? Link tag. Next one, Shankar, how to write the JavaScript? How to write the JavaScript here? With the help of which tag? With the help of script tag. So with the help of script tag, we can write the JavaScript here. Yes or not? Next one, guys, and one more point. Under the body section, we need to define the main content now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we need to define the main content under the body tag itself. Under the body tag itself, we need to define the main content. Whatever the main content you want to define, that main content we need to define. May I know the example here? Which example? Like images. Next one is the images. Next one is the tables. Next one is the audio. Next one is the video,
paragraphs.
audio. Next one is the paragraphs, and like this also. So many things we need to place. See this one here. Images. Next one is the tables. Next one is the audio. Next one is the video, and like this also. Lot of information is there. So this information we need to link here. Okay, now fun. So guys, this is the basic structure of the web page. whatever we have here, this is the what? This is the basic structure of the web page. Guys, are you people okay with this one?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
ask
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
can I ask the few questions, guys?
Yes, sir.
Where to define the metadata? Narinder,
In the header
Head
where to
section,
define
sir.
the metadata under the head
The header
section?
section. Yes, sir.
Guys, how to define the CSS
Sir,
CSS
using
and the
also
style
CSS
tags, sir.
style
style
tag.
tag is
How
Style
to
tag.
link external CSS?
Using link tag, sir.
Link tag.
How to write the JavaScript?
Using
Script
script
tag.
tag.
Script tag here. Next one. How to define the title? How to define the title?
Title tag.
With the help of which tag? Title tag here. Guys, where to define the main content?
Body
Where
the
to
body
define the
section.
main content? If you wanted to define main content, then we will go for the body section.
Body
If you
section.
wanted to define main content at that time, we need to go for the body section.
Body
Yes or
section.
not? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
So guys, say this one here. Guys, can I put the heading as semantic elements?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes.
can I put the heading
Semantic.
as semantic elements again? Yes or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Guys,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
what is the guys? This is our first chapter, na Shankar.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
na
Day one.
Shankar.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Guys, but before going to semantic elements, we need to discuss little bit of theoretical information also. So I discuss. So yeah, so don't worry. See this fun.
Proper
Guys,
meaning of the text.
what is the semantic elements? HTML5. HTML5 provides the semantic elements. So guys, what is the use of semantic elements? Readability
meaning.
increases na? No.
Yes,
Readability increases na?
Yes,
Because of semantic elements, readability increases. Yes, sir. Shankar, will you accept my answer?
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is
sir. Because
readability.
of, say this fun here, because of semantic elements, sir. Because of semantic elements, readability of
Code.
readability of web page increases.
Web
Or not?
pages.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Web pages increases. Readability of web pages increases. Guys, around 12 to 13 tags are there, not 1 or 2 tags, guys. Around 12 to 13 tags are there, all the tags, guys. So 4 days, guys. I will take the 4 days on the semantic elements, then I will close the semantic elements. So guys, whatever the tags we remembered, can, will you people help me here? Will you people help me here? Can you tell the
Yes, sir.
tags to me? Please tell me
Yes,
the
sir.
tags to me.
Header tag.
What is the first
Header
tag?
tag.
Header attack. Header attack here. Guys, what is the second attack here?
Main
Main
tag.
tag, sir.
Guys, what is the
Footer.
third attack here?
Footer tag, sir.
Third attack is the footer attack here. Guys,
SI.
one help. Guys, one help I need, guys. Guys, one help I need, guys. The help is the along with the HTML, I will discuss the CSS also. Please support me. 2 times I will repeat the class. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
if I discuss only HTML care, you can't get the interest in the class itself. You never
Yes,
get
sir.
the interest in the class itself. So for example, I will show the one simple example, guys. I will show one simple example. If I show the simple example, then you can get the clarity here. Otherwise, you can't get the clarity. Once again, here itself, what is my thinking here? This is my thinking. Yes, guys, see this one here. This a portion of what do you call? Header portion.
Header
section.
portion.
This a portion of what do you call?
Main section.
Main
Body
portion.
section.
Main portion.
Main
This a
portion.
portion of what do you call? Footer portion.
Footer
Footer
portion.
portion.
Did I apply it any background color? Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Here also, did I apply it any background color?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
So guys, my suggestion, my help from you people is, I think you people need to provide some help here. Along with the HTML, I will discuss with you. Little bit of CSS also. Please support the class. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Okay,
I
sir.
think maybe you may feel like a little bit tough care. Even the tough care, I will repeat the class 2 times. Then you can get the clarity. So header section I will discuss with you. Main section I will discuss with you. Next one is the, what is the next one? Next one is the footer section also I need to discuss with you. Next one is the, see the
Yes,
fourth
sir.
one. The
Nav.
fourth one is the, guys, how to create the
Aside.
side navigation. Yes,
Aside
side
tag,
tag. Guys,
sir.
how to create the navigation bar.
Nav tag.
How to create the navigation bar with the help of nav tag here. With the help of nav tag here. Guys, how to create the, see this one here. How to create the division here. How to create the
Div
division
tag,
here.
sir.
See this
Div
one
tag.
here. See this one here. No, article tag. Article tag here. And one more tag here. Which tag we have here? Section tag.
Section tag.
Article. Guys, leave all the old HTML tags, guys. Throw it out. These are the latest tags. Article tag. Next one is the section tags. Next one, guys. One more tag. How to play the audio, guys.
Yes, sir.
Audio tag.
Using
Guys,
audio tag.
how to play the video, guys? How
Video.
to
Video
play the
tag,
video
sir.
game with the help of one more tag is there. Which tag we have? Video tag. Fine. Audio tag, video tag, guys. Still, I didn't remember few tags. Then I will check that tags also. So around guys, 12 to 13 tags are there. All the tags I will discuss with you. So no need to worry. Okay, na? Fine.
Yes.
Next one, guys. Can I go for the header tag, main tag, and footer tag now?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for the header tag and main tag and footer tag now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Not.
sir.
See this one. Can I go for the example one?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for the
Yes, sir.
example one, guys? Let me go for
Yes,
the
sir.
example one. Example one, demonstrating one. Example one, demonstrating which tag can header tag. Next one is the main
Main
tag.
tag
Next
and
one
the
is the
footer tag.
Sir,
header
footer
tag,
tag.
main tag. Next one is the footer tag. So whatever the example is there, I will build the one example here. That example representing the header tag. Next one is the main tag here. Next one is the footer tag here. Okay, na, guys. And at the end of semantic elements, guys, we will build one wonderful web page also. Yes or not? So
Yes, sir.
if I collaborate all the semantic elements, we will prepare one wonderful web page also. Yes or not? So guys, what is my example? This is my example. This is my example. My example is, this is the web page. Here itself, we have the web page again. Whatever the web page is there, we have the web page again. Fine. In this web page, this is section of what do you call? This is section of what do you
Header.
call? This
Header
is section
section.
we can call the header section now.
Yes, sir.
This is section we can call the header section. This is section of what do you call?
Footer section.
This is section of what do you call? Footer section here. The first section we can call header section here. The second section we can call footer section here. So guys,
Yes.
say this one here. How to build this area? How to build this
Using
area
head tag, sir.
with the
By the
help of
header
which
tag.
tag? Header tag here.
Header
Guys,
tag.
how to build this area with the help of
Main
which
tag,
tag?
sir.
With the help of which one here? With the
Main
help
tag.
of main tag here. How to build this area?
Footer tag.
sir.
How to build this area with the help of which tag? Footer tag. Guys, see this one here. To build this area, we need to go for header tag. To build this area, we need to go for main tag. To build this area, we need to go for footer tag. Yes or not? Guys,
Yes, sir.
we need to apply. We need to apply little bit CSS na.
Yes, sir.
Which CSS we need to apply? What is the
CSS.
total height? Listen, what is the total height? Total height is the 100% or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Respond here. What is the
Yes, sir.
total height? The total height equal to
100%.
100%.
100%.
So through the CSS only we can apply. Otherwise we can't apply, guys. Through the CSS itself only we can apply. Otherwise we can't apply. Guys, how much space you want to how much space you want to give to header section? I want to give 50 pixels to which person? Header section.
Header
Guys,
section, sir.
how much space you want to give to footer section?
50
Footer
pixel.
section 50 pixel or not? 50 pixel. So guys, 50 plus 50, 100 na?
Yes,
Remaining space goes to whom?
Main section.
So guys, remaining space technical we can call FR. FR, guys. Technically what do you call? One FR in the sense what? Like a fragment, guys. One fragment in the sense remaining space. What are the remaining spaces then? That remaining space technically we can call one FR. Guys, these are the points, guys. Some people they are arguing with me, sir, we are unable to understand. No, guys, even the tough you need to learn HTML5 CSS3 in this approach only. Application level you need to learn, guys. Application level. Remember that point, Ken. Guys, see this one. Can you please explain once again, Ken? Guys, how to build this section? How to build this section? To build this section, we need to go for the header section. Shankar, how to build this section? Build this section, main section. Guys, how to build this section? How to build this section with the help of which tag? With the help of one more tag here. Which tag we have here? Footer tag here. The first tag is the header tag here. The second tag is the, what is the second tag here? The second tag is the second tag is the footer tag here. What is the next tag here? Next tag is the footer tag here. Header tag, main tag, next one is the footer tag. Guys, to get the proper design as it is design, to get the as it is design, say this one here, to get the as it is design, we need to apply the CSS or not?
Yes, sir.
We need to apply the CSS. So guys, how much height you wanted to maintain? total height goes
100%.
total height equal to 100% here. Here itself we need to go for the total height here. The total height equal to how much height here? 100% here. Next one, out of 100%, how much space you want to give to header
50
person?
pixel.
50 pixels. I am saying the rough value guys, not correctly 50 pixels here. Guys, how much space you want to give to footer section here?
50
Pixels here. 50 pixels here. 50 pixel, 50 pixel. So 50 plus 50 equal to
100.
yeah, see this one here. 50 plus 50 equal to see this one here. 50 plus 50 equal to 50 equal to
100
100.
pixel.
So guys, remaining space goes to whom?
Main,
Remaining space
main,
goes to
FR.
whom? Main. Guys,
Main.
remaining space means for
One
One
FR.
FR.
yes, see this
FR,
one
one
here. Remaining
FR,
space, what do you
main.
call? Remaining space we can
Main.
call the 1 FR or not?
Yes, sir.
Remaining space technically we can call 1 FR. Guys, FR stands for what? Fragment or not? Fragment. So
Fragment.
Shankar, can I build this one?
Yes, sir.
Shankar, are you
Yes,
happy
sir.
with this one by seeing this one? Not
Yes.
revision.
Sir.
Not revision, Shankar. Not revision. This is the thing. Fine.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
say this one. Here itself, just to try to observe this one. Here itself, 06y, 06y or something we need to plus. Once again, guys, 06y full stack. Full stack here. Let me share that screenshot to you people. What are the screenshot is there? That screenshot I need to share it to you people. Fine.
Yes,
Next
sir.
one, guys. Next one is the let me go for the design, guys. Let me go for the design here, guys. If you don't mind, can I create a separate folder here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, see this one here. A separate folder we need to create. Which folder? The folder is the semantic elements. See this one here, semantic elements here. We should be in a position we need to place the semantic elements here. Fine. Now see this one here. Right click. Can I create the new file?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
create the
sir.
new file? Which file we need to create? Example one dot example one dot html. Here itself we need to create one HTML. The HTML file is the example one dot html. Guys, never argue with me like silly questions here. Never argue like silly questions. So the question is the sir, how to save the file, how to close it, how to open it. Never ask this. Guys, literally getting the angry guys. Myself, I'm not a good person. So remember that point. If you ask like, sir, how to create the folder and how to save the file, how to close the IDE, how to open it, can never ask that one, guys. Literally getting the angry if you ask that question, guys. Renika, what is the use of this HTML? What is the use of this HTML to discuss which tag?
Header
Header
tag.
tag. To discuss the header tag. Next one is the which tag here?
Body tag.
Main tag. No,
Main tag.
main
Footer
tag. Next
tag.
one is
Footer
the
tag.
next one is the footer tag here. The first one is the header tag here. The second one is the main tag here. The next one is the footer tag here. Next one, Gunjan, how to represent the HTML5?
Doc type.
Gunjan, how to
Doc type.
represent the HTML5? Not to doc type HTML. Guys, what is the root element?
HTML.
What is the root element here? Root element is the HTML now.
Yes, sir.
HTML.
Root element is the what are the root element is there? Root element is the HTML here. Here itself we have the root element. Root element is the HTML. Guys, HTML divided into how many
Two
sections?
section.
Header section. Next one is the
Body
header
section.
section.
Body
Next one is the body section here. Guys, under the header section itself, how to give the title?
Yes,
Under
sir.
the header section itself,
Title of
how
the
to
web
give the
page.
title?
Title
With the
tag.
help of what? With the help of what? Title or not? With the help of title here. Title equal to say this one here. Title equal to, can I have the semantic elements?
Semantic elements.
Guys, can I go for the little bit
Yes,
slowly?
sir.
Are you understanding?
No, sir.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Everyone, guys, semantic elements here. Guys, can I go to the body section?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can I go to the body section? Why not, guys? We should be in a position we need to go to the body section. So, guys, under the body section, how many tags you wanted to take? How many tags you wanted to take? Header tag. Header tag. Next one is
Main
the
tag.
which tag you wanted to
Main
take?
tag.
Main tag. Next one, which tag we need to take
Footer
here?
tag.
Which tag we need to take? Footer tag here. Guys, so first one is the header tag. Next one is the main tag. Next one is the footer tag here. Guys, see the first HTML now. All the people need to understand. Guys, how to represent the HTML file?
Not a
Not
Not
doc
to
type
doc
of
type
HTML.
HTML. Guys, who is the root element? Who is the root element?
HTML.
Root element is the
HTML.
HTML. Here itself, we have the root element here. The root element is the which root element we have here? HTML. Guys, HTML divided into how many sections? Two sections. What is the first section? What is the
Head
first
section.
section? Head section here. What is the second section? Body section.
Body.
The first section is the head section here. The second section is the what is the second section? Body section.
Body
So
section.
guys, how to give the title? How to give the
Using
title?
title
If
tag.
you
Using
wanted to give
title
the
Under the
title.
A head tag.
If you wanted to give the title,
Title
you can
tag.
say this one title equal to HTML5. HTML5
Semantic
semantic.
Semantic element.
HTML5 semantics again. HTML5 semantics are something we need to replace. Next one. Go to the body tag, guys. Go to the body tag. Which tag you wanted to take? Header tag.
Header
Header
tag.
tag. What is the next tag you
Main
wanted
tag.
to take?
Main
Main
tag.
tag. Main
And then
tag.
footer
What
tag.
is the
Footer
next
tag.
tag you wanted to take here?
Footer
Next tag is the
Footer tag.
footer tag here. Header tag you need to take. Next one is the main tag you need to take. Next one is the footer tag we need to replace. Guys, which heading you wanted to maintain? The heading equal to we need to
Ashok
replace
ID.
Ashok ID.
So
The
5G.
heading equal to Ashok ID. Guys, which main section you wanted to maintain? Say this one can e-commerce, e-commerce website to soon. E-commerce website to soon here. E-commerce, say this one here. E-commerce website to soon or something we need to replace. Guys, what is the footer section we need to maintain? We need to maintain the footer section here. Which of footer section we need to
Copyright.
maintain here? Copyright at the rate ashokit.in. Copyright at the rate ashokit.in. Yes or not? Guys, header
Yes,
tag
sir.
is there. Next one
Yes,
is the
sir.
main tag is over.
Main
Next
tag
one is
and
the
then
footer
footer
tag
tag.
is over. Guys, can I execute this HTML?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, guys. To execute that HTML here itself, do we have any go live option?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have the go
Double
live
five
option.
double zero.
Please click the go live option. Guys, what is the port number we are getting? What is
Double
the port
five
number?
double
Can say this one.
5500.
So guys, this is the output we are getting now.
Yes, sir.
Ashok, guys, by seeing this one, are you feeling happy, guys? No, yeah.
No, sir.
No,
Myself,
sir.
no,
No,
never,
sir.
guys, no. See this one.
Not
here.
our desired output.
Ashok should be at the center.
Center.
Copyright at the bottom.
Bottom center.
E-commerce at the center. So
Yes, sir.
to get it, guys, we need to apply the CSS or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If I apply CSS, then we are getting the proper design. Otherwise, we can't get the proper design. Guys, who don't know how to execute, guys, who don't know how to execute it, try to say this one here. Guys, here which option we have? Everyone, here which option we have?
Go
Let's
live.
go, guys.
Go live.
Go live. Guys, say this one. If I click the go live here, automatically the web page will open here. What the web page is there? That web page will open here. After opening the web page here itself, this one what do you call header information? This one we can call main information. This one we can call the footer information. So guys, in the tomorrow session, whatever the example one we developed here, for the example one, we will apply the CSS in the tomorrow very slowly, guys. Little bit tough. You may say, sir, little bit tough. Even the tough care support the class can. I will apply the little bit CSS can. Then we can make the application as a very wonderful application. We will do that. Okay, na? Fine. Yes, guys. Please go through up to now here. In the tomorrow session, 1 second, I will go for the all the things. Fine, guys. Give me the chance here, guys. All the Java people, guys. I needed to separate you people here because of who is attending, who is not attending. I don't know that one here. So I will chat with you personally, guys, one by one. If you are attending the class here, guys. If you are attending the class here, give the confirmation to me. Then I will add the video files. Otherwise, I can't add the video files, guys. Because see this one. Around 30 members are there, guys. But who is attending, who is not attending, we don't know here. So guys, I will ping you one by one personally, guys. Please share your details to me. Once, if you're interested to attend this class, then you can attend this class. Okay, na? All the
Sir,
new members, guys.
Only name can be. I can write, sir, there. Name I can write there, sir, in group, sir.
Yeah, why not? You can write it here. Okay, na? Just ping me personally. Already my number is there, na?
Yes,
my number is there. Just ping me personally. Then we will add only that members to group itself. Remaining members we will remove from the group itself. Okay, na?
Yes.
Fine. Yeah.
Sir, in our course,
Shankar,
any authentication
why not?
authentication service, sir?
Saurav, one point I will tell you. After completion of the course, go to one interview panel. 70% success rate I can give here. 70%. Okay, na? If interview panel asking the 10 questions, 7 questions are coming from our class only. The reason is
Yes, sir.
authentication in the sense you are thinking like token based authentication system. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So JWT authentication something definitely we will cover in the classroom itself. It's a part of our syllabus.
Thank you, sir.
If I cover, then you can crack the interviews. Otherwise, you can't crack the interviews.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Guys, remaining members, guys, whoever the new members in the classroom itself, guys, please complete your enrollment. We don't want to tell you this number of times, guys. Please complete your enrollment as early as possible. Fine. Thank you, guys. Bye. Guys,
Sir, excuse me,
for
sir.
yeah, guys, for the payment details, everything here, please reach the Ashok IT. They will give the complete confirmation to you. Yes, sir. Smita?
Sir, can I have your number?
Yeah, my number, na?
Yes, sir.